Good afternoon, everyone. The theme of our today's report is investigation of technogenic deposits of phosphogypsum dumps. The authors of the research have been working on this topic for the last 3 years and are the following: Viktor, Moshynskyi, Ruslan, Zhomyruk, Oleksandr, Vasylchuk, Vasil, Semeniuk, Roman, Okseniuk, Kanay, Rysbekov, and Kassym, Yelemessov. The extraction of mineral is a vital part of the economy of any country. Since the minerals are exhaustive, it becomes necessary to process existing raw materials, including the products of processing of other industries. Today, the problem of reducing and utilization waste from various industries is very acute. It is known that phosphogypsum that is affected by atmosphere acid residues and a large amount of impurities, and then it gets into groundwater and affect the ecosystem. Among these impurities, rare earth elements were found, the withdrawal of which does not take place. The rare earth elements such as cesium, yttrium, lanthanum, and 14 element of the lanthanide are widely used in the production of high-tech products. Therefore, it is already possible to consider the technogenic deposits of phosphogypsum dumps as a raw material for the extraction of valuable rare earth element. According to research, phosphogypsum waste contains up to 1% rare earth elements. The object of the research is phosphogypsum dumps of the private joint stock company Rivneazot and the nearby territory. This is a waste of the found or class and of degree, which is responded mainly by phosphorus pentoxide that accumulate in phosphogypsum dumps. Technogenic deposits of phosphogypsum dumps of the private joint stock company Rivneazot, located in Rivne near the village Metkiv and village Rupcha. Large areas of agricultural land are set aside for the storage of phosphogypsum. Thus, phosphogypsum dumps of the private joint stock company Rivneazot cover an area of 58 hectares, and their total number is 15.2 million tons. On the slide, you can see the experimental area: phosphogypsum dumps of open joint stock company Rivneazot. First, it is phosphogypsum dumps. 2. Storage of solid toxic substances. 3. It is pumping station. 4. Human settlements. 5. System of channels for interception of surface runoff. 6. It is wells for soil sampling. 7. It is places for water sampling from the river Goryn. 8. Treatment facilities. Wells: 1 wells, 14 wells for soils sampling. 1 and 2 create for water sampling in the river Goryn. There is a diagram of the longitudinal section of the tagger number 1. 1. It is sand. 2. It is loam. 3. It is water resistance. The raw materials for the extraction of rare earth element was phosphogypsum for the dumps private joint stock company Rivneazot. Sampling points were determined for the research on the territory of the dump. The research results include research of the phosphogypsum storage site, direction of phosphogypsum use, research of the technogenic phosphogypsum deposit. The main areas of the use of phosphogypsum is in the economy are agriculture as fertilizers and for the reclamation of acid soils, as pavements, as creation of X-ray protective designs, as mineralizing additives in the firing of cement clinker, in the construction industry for the production of building materials, production of gypsum binders, and production of hydraulic additives, as a filter in the production of paper instead of kaolin in the paint and varnish industry, and it in the production of plastics, glass, ammonium nitrate instead of traditional materials, heat treated phosphogypsum instead of sodium surface, mines of coal and other industries to fill the fastening space and calculation of security strips, extraction of rare earth elements. Solving the problem, as a result, we can conclude solving the problem of processing of or utilization of waste that forms technogenic deposits of phosphogypsum is an important issue, the solution of which will significantly improve the environment. The research was carried out on the example of a technogenic phosphogypsum deposit of private joint stock company Rivneazot that is located in Rivne region. According to the research, the parameters of micronutrient distribution in the soil around phosphogypsum dumps were established. The content of heat, lead, zinc, copper, cadmium, nickel, cobalt, nitrates, manganese, phosphorus is higher than it can be. The concentration of these trace elements decreases in the soil decreases when it is far from the dumps. The main areas of use of phosphogypsum in the national economy of agriculture, the manufacture of X-ray protective structures, and extraction of rare earth elements. According to the result of quantitative chemical analysis, it was found that phosphogypsum dumps contain 0.628 or 9, of rare earth element oxides. Thank you for attention.